Are you tired of overspending on cloud services? With the average company overspending up to 70% on cloud services, it's essential to keep your cloud spending under control. Hi, I'm Matt, founder and CTO at Spring Digital, and in this video, I'll share some expert tips and tricks to help you optimize your cloud spending and reduce unnecessary costs, so stick around. First things first, what is cloud cost management? Simply put, it's a process of monitoring, analyzing, and optimizing your cloud spending to ensure you're getting the most bang for your buck. In reality, cloud spending can quickly spiral out of control, and if left unchecked, it can eat up a significant portion of your budget. So, how do you get started? The first step is really to understand your cloud bill. This means identifying key cost drivers and areas to focus on. For example, do you know how much you're spending on storage versus compute power? Are there services or resources that are costing you more than they should be? By understanding your cloud bill, you can start to identify areas where you can make cost savings. Once you have a good understanding of your cloud bill, the next step is to set up a cost management framework. This involves implementing best practices using tools to track and optimize your cloud spending. One thing we religiously do here at Spring is set up cost alerts to notify us when we are approaching our budget limit. Now, unfortunately, our lesson was learned well too late, due to an event where one of my team accidentally spun up a new server with 256 gigs of memory and 128 VPUs. At around $6.30 per hour, it ran for 20 days before we realized we'd chosen the wrong type. Needless to say, not a happy day for me. There are also automation tools to shut down unused resources, which are a great add-on too. By putting these processes in place, you can be sure you're always in control of your cloud spending. Another key aspect of cloud cost management, however getting a little more technical, is optimizing your infrastructure for cost. This means right-sizing your resources, leveraging reserved instances, and utilizing spot instances. For example, if you have a resource that's constantly underutilized, you could downsize it to a smaller instance size to save money. Similarly, by using reserved instances and spot instances, you can take advantage of discounted pricing and save money on your overall cloud bill. If you're operating in a multi-cloud or hybrid environment, cloud cost management can be even more challenging. With different cloud providers and environments to manage, it can be difficult to track costs and optimize spending. The best practice is to understand how your cloud solution is performing and reach out to your technical team for help or to your cloud provider. To give you a better idea of how cost management techniques work in practice, let's look at some real-world examples of companies that have successfully reduced their cloud spending. Dropbox was able to reduce their AWS bill by 30% by optimizing their infrastructure for cost. Similarly, Airbnb was able to save $17 million in annual infrastructure costs by a combination of reserved instances and spot instances. Finally, let's look at some emerging trends and technologies in cloud cost management. Beyond cost estimators and cost control systems evolving, emerging technologies such as machine learning algorithms that can identify cost optimization opportunities and predictive analytics tools that can forecast future cloud spending are on the rise. As this field of cloud cost management continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative solutions in the years to come. So there you have it, some tips and best practices for keeping your cloud spending under control. By understanding your cloud bill, setting up a cost management framework, and optimizing your infrastructure for cost, your business can save a significant amount of money. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Till next time.